Welcome to this video overview of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a Microsoft Office program that is now commonly used for creating or enhancing presentations. PowerPoint is used in many different ways. Simply stated, it is used to visually display information and guide the audience through it. Some presentations are centered on graphics, for example when there are charts, graphs, or illustrations, while others use less specific graphics to add visual interest to brief text bullets that highlight important points. One benefit of PowerPoint is that you can use your slides to help guide you through the presentation, and when needed, generate printed handouts of the slides for your audience. In order to use PowerPoint, it must be installed on the computer you use to create the presentation, as well as the computer you plan to use when making your presentation. If you plan to develop your presentation mostly on a Mac, try to use the version of PowerPoint for the Mac. Although the Apple software Keynote is a very similar program, converting a Keynote presentation to PowerPoint can get complicated. Indeed, even switching between Mac and Windows versions requires planning ahead. Before you even open PowerPoint, make sure you have already formed an idea of what you are going to present or talk about. And keep the following tips in mind so that you use PowerPoint effectively and remain mindful of the view from your audience. When it comes to creating your slides, think less is more, and remember to keep it simple. What does this really mean? It means leave plenty of white space in each slide. Some of the best slides have little or no text. You want your audience to hear you, not be busy reading. It means when you do include text, use brief bullet points, 5 or less per slide, and to have a reasonable amount of text on each slide, remember these guidelines. Use less than 35 characters per slide, or a 30-point font size or larger. When it comes to choosing graphics, be sure they are relevant and high quality. And while you want there to be enough contrast for items to be visible, remember to keep your slides pleasing to look at with well thought out color combinations like this. Not this. Keep these tips in mind, but as with any coursework, follow your professor's instructions for the assignment. That is a brief overview of PowerPoint. Remember, you can view this video as many times as you like to familiarize yourself with the information. When you are ready, view the next chapter on PowerPoint Basics to learn how to open the program and get started. A series of videos follows, showing you how to create and finalize your slides step by step.